Now I'm going to show you how to uninstall the panels. You can uninstall it while it's hanging up, or as I have already put some of them on the floor, take it apart, and I want to show you how to take it apart. Now it comes with the ruler or the metal ruler. You can use this. Now, again, it's a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be very easy. Again, there's a female and a male. You just need to put this in between the two and just wriggle your way in between. Okay? And once it's in there, just twist it, it'll pop open. Now, let me do it one more time for you, and let me show you some of the tricks that I find very useful. Because I'm a left-handed, and if you want, you can switch different hands, but for me, I like to turn it around. Just have a little bit of an angle here, so it's easy for you to wiggle it in. And just remember, don't put your hands on top of the top part of the ruler, because if you slip, you might, scratch yourself, or you don't want to get hurt. So I normally just put my hands behind it, wiggle my way in, and just twist it, and it'll pop open. Now I want to show you how to take this backdrop or this wall, this backdrop here apart while it's still hung up. Now, the key point here is to make sure that you take it out from the bottom section first, not from the top, because if you take from the top, it's just gonna fall, everything's gonna fall apart. Now, for me, I'll take it down as one strip at a time. So once you take that one strip down, put it down, take each panel out, it'll be a lot easier. As you can see, all you need to do is wiggle this part in, okay, and just twist. See, this one is wiggle it in, twist. Next part, same thing, wiggle, twist, wiggle, twist. Now it's easy for me to take one panel at a time out. Same thing. Wiggle, turn, wiggle, turn. It's a very simple process. Now I'm done with this set. I'll repeat the next row.